I actually got a sulky for a dog. We could dog it up, pull you around and let. So. Steam engine. That gives you plenty of room. Now we just wait a minute or two.
Yep.
They get going quick.
They do. It's amazing.
Did you see in this one, you can see the fire inside of it. It's got the fire door. It's got little briquettes in there and everything.
Oh, wow. That is cool. Man.
These two are some of my favorite.
I love the decapod.
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
Man.
I'll tell you what, this will pull all of the cars because of the small wheels.
I bet.
We had this running just earlier today for, I don't know.
That Pier 25 is the
I
Year
know,
1, right?
I know.
Well,
Well, I'll tell you what, I did tons of work to it. I take that back. I have done lots and lots and lots of work to it. But all minor things.
yeah, the boiler was fine.
The boiler was a Stewart Models boiler.
Really?
All copper, silver soldered.
This is a permanent setup all the time?
Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna look good.
What do you got, about 50 feet of track?
Oh, no. It's closer to 100.
This is where drain cocks would come in here.
Yeah. Prevent working water.
Yeah.
A locomotive, what's that a rough style?
There's a name for that one. This is the decapod.